Plus, and it is about 2.64 GBs. So in this video, we'll be talking about all the new features in this update. Just to make sure it's running on iOS 15, we are going to go to Settings, General, About, Software version, it's 15, you can always see it over here. So finally, we have updated to iOS 15. And the first thing you notice a change is the new wallpaper. I really like this wallpaper rather than the iOS 14's wallpaper. I hope new wallpapers like this comes out. So as you know, this is an iPhone 7 Plus. You don't get all the new features you get in those newer models of iPhone, but then there are a couple of few changes. The first changes are there is a new redesign for some apps, including Maps, Weather app, and the Camera app. On the Camera app, you won't get the shutter icon again. Another important feature is notification summaries. So this is what notification summaries reads like. So this is like a bunch of apps notifications. You can also click on them to expand on them and see what's there in this. So you have three options for this. You can either set it as custom, or you can do a morning and evening notification summary according to the time you want. Another new feature in this update is the new Safari redesign. So if you go into the Safari app, you will see that the search bar is at the bottom of the screen. I know why Apple is doing this, because nowadays phones are really big in size and they want it for the ease of convenience by just pressing at the bottom and searching your way through. Now, so if you want to open a new tab in Safari, you can just slide from right or left, you'll open a new tab, and then if you want to go to the previous tab, slide back, or if you want to go to the previous tab, the one you searched before, just as always, slide from the left side, or if you want to go to the front tab, go to the right side. So if you don't like this feature, you can always go to Settings, you can find Safari, and then you can choose if you want tab bar or single tab, which will make it as previous one, and your search bar would no longer be on the bottom. Performance-wise, this update is good. I noticed the phone heating up a bit fast rather than the iOS 14 updates. Maybe it's just because the iPhone is still indexing stuff. The battery percent is normal. I have about 80% of battery health, which is the same as the iOS 14.8 update. So me personally, I overall think this is a really good update. You should definitely update to it. The performance is good. Just as it just heats a bit, which may be because of the indexing that is happening after the update. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and catch you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.